Jolie, try Jolie in that. Jolie a little bit down, and you do it a little bit. You do a little bit. You on a little bit.
Mommy does?
Yeah, you do it on. No, a little bit on.
Mommy a little bit old?
Yeah.
Oh.
See, okay, you're not done.
Yeah, give her a little bit. Jelana, let me get the other phone. You wait for me here in the garage. I'll go get the other phone. Wait for me here.
No, we don't do that.
You have to wait for me.
No,
Uh-oh. Why not? Okay. I'm ready. I'm ready now. Julene? Don't be mean. Don't. Ay, naka 9,000 na tayo. 9,000 views na tayo. Ayan. Naka 9,000 views na tayo. Hello, Chai. Oh, doggy. Cute doggy. Oh, be careful. Ayan, naka 9,000 views na tayo. Thank you for watching. Let me see your doggy. Oh, be careful. That one can hurt you. Hindi nila umalis, no? Manood pa. Be careful on that one. That hurt. Be careful to your doggy. Be nice to your doggy. Be nice to your doggy. You have to be... Oh.
Really fast.
Really fast? Your dog ran really fast?
Yeah, and then that.
Oh, you're so fast. Oh, naka 9,000 na tayo. Siguro 10,000 na ngayon. So can we put your bike away now? Not yet. Yeah. Okay, are you playing it in the morning?
Yeah.
Really? Okay. What's the name of your horse? What's the name of your horse? What's the name of your horse? Does your horse have a name?
Yeah.
Abigail?
No, we told it.
How about Jersey?
No, Jelana.
Yolanda.
Oh, your horse name's Jelana? Oh, hi, Jelana.
How about
You
Jewel?
were Winnie.
And Winnie. Jelana and Winnie. Good job.
You were gay.
How about Jewel?
You were gay.
Jeff?
Yeah.
Oh, it fell.
You were my appa.
Yeah.
Every two you have to do appa. Double hat one. I want you to.
Jelana Jr. Oh, Jelana Jr. Ayan, naka 12,000 na tayo. Thank you.
I dad.
Uy, Chay, 32 months. Salamat. Faith talaga, ha? Faith. Salamat, Chay. Ayan. Sa mga kasama natin ng 3 years na. 3 years na tayo, guys. Uy, charot. 3 years. Magtatatlong taon na tayo magkakasama. Sa awa ng Diyos, no? Wow. Oh, thank you din. Thank you. Wala naman akong blessing kung wala kayo. Salamat. Salamat din sa support. Sa walang sawang pagpapanood kay Jelana.